Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Huawei Enjoy 70X. So you have to start by opening your app gallery, then click on search bar and type in Edge. Now click search and click install. Now click open. And here you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can just click not now. Now you have to click confirm. And as you can see, my Microsoft Edge browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.